Pikachu is one of the most frequently asked about creatures by both Pokémon fans and newcomers to the franchise. With its adorable appearance, signature yellow fur, and electric abilities, Pikachu has become a global icon of the Pokémon brand. Today, let's recreate Pikachu using clay, but in a horror version. In the Pokémon universe, every species has its own classification and type, which determine its characteristics, abilities, and habitat. Pikachu is classified as an electric-type Pokémon. This type is known for Pokémon that can control and generate electricity. Its electric typing explains Pikachu's famous moves and abilities, such as shooting lightning bolts and storing electricity in its cheeks. Besides its typing, Pikachu is also described in the Pokédex with a more specific biological classification, the mouse Pokémon. This name highlights its small size and mouse-like appearance. However, Pikachu is far from an ordinary mouse. It is a unique fictional creature in the Pokémon world with extraordinary electrical powers. Understanding both its type and species classification gives us a clearer picture of Pikachu's true nature. One of Pikachu's most recognizable features is its bright yellow fur along with its long, pointed ears tipped in black. It also has two red cheek patches that store electrical energy. Its zigzag-shaped tail, resembling a lightning bolt, is another iconic characteristic. Pikachu is relatively small, usually about 0.4 meters tall and weighing around 6 kilograms, giving it an irresistibly cute appearance that instantly wins people over. Like many Pokémon, Pikachu can evolve to become stronger. It is the middle stage of a three-stage evolutionary line. Pikachu evolves from Piku, a smaller Pokémon born from eggs. Although Piku already has electric pouches in its cheeks, it cannot fully control its power and sometimes shocks itself accidentally. Raichu is the final evolution, larger and significantly more powerful, with a much greater ability to control electricity. Pikachu is not just another Pokémon in a fictional world. It has become a global pop culture phenomenon. Its adorable design and determined personality have captured the hearts of millions worldwide, transcending language and cultural barriers. Pikachu appears in almost every Pokémon-related product, from games and anime to trading cards, toys, clothing, and countless collectibles, making it the irreplaceable face of the franchise. Pikachu is far more than just a cute creature or the mascot of Pokémon. It is an electric-type mouse Pokémon with unique biological traits, abilities, behaviors, and an interesting evolutionary line. Learning what Pikachu truly is helps us better appreciate the rich and diverse Pokémon universe, as well as the special place this little yellow electric mouse holds in the hearts of fans around the world. Do you have anything you'd like to say about Pikachu? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if there's any Pokémon character you'd like me to recreate next, don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope to see you in the next video.